Hi guys, welcome to TechPP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan documents on your iPhone using the built-in methods without installing any third-party apps. My iPhone is currently running iOS 27. The same options are also available on previous iOS versions. There are two easy ways to scan documents on your iPhone. The first method is using the Notes app. Since the Notes app comes pre-installed on your iPhone, you do not need to download anything else. First, open the Notes app. To keep your documents organized, you can create a new note and give it a title. For example, I am naming this note My Document. Now, tap the camera or attachment icon. From the available options, select Scan Documents. Place the document in front of your iPhone camera. Your iPhone will automatically recognize the document and scan it. If automatic scanning is not working, you can also capture it manually using the shutter button. Once the document is scanned, you can make a few changes before saving it. If the scan is blurry, you can retake it. You can also apply a filter, rotate the page, adjust its corners, or delete it. If your document has multiple pages, continue scanning the remaining pages. Once you finish scanning, tap Save or Done at the top. The document will now be saved as a PDF inside your note. To share it, open the scanned document and tap the share icon. From here, you can send it through mail, messages, WhatsApp, AirDrop, or any other supported app. You can also save a copy to the Files app or print the document. You can use the three-dot menu to access additional options such as pinning the note. Now let's look at the second method, which is using the Files app. This method is useful when you want to scan a document and save it directly inside a storage folder. Go to the Files app and long press on it. From the options that appear, select Scan Documents. Place the document in front of your camera. Your iPhone will automatically recognize and scan it. You can retake the scan, apply a filter, rotate it, adjust the corners, or scan additional pages. Once you finish scanning, tap Save or Done at the top right corner. The Files app will now ask you where you want to save the document. You can select an existing folder or create a new folder from here. You can also add tags to make the document easier to find later. Finally, tap Save. Your scanned document will now be stored directly inside the selected folder in the Files app. So, quick recap. Use the Notes app if you want to keep the scanned document inside a note and add text or other information around it. Use the Files app if you want to save the scanned document directly as a file inside a folder. These are the two easiest ways to scan and store documents on your iPhone without using any third-party apps. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful tutorials like this, subscribe to our TechPP channel.